Getting reviews on your Facebook business page can help build trust and attract more customers. Here's how to encourage and manage reviews effectively. Enable the reviews section. Go to your Facebook business page. Click Settings, Templates and Tabs and ensure the Reviews tab is turned on. This allows customers to leave and view reviews. Ask for reviews. Politely request reviews from satisfied customers. For example, send a follow-up message or email after a purchase asking them to share their experience. Share a post on your page encouraging followers to leave a review, linking directly to the reviews section. Provide excellent service. Deliver exceptional customer service. Positive experiences naturally encourage customers to leave good reviews. Promote the review link. Share the direct link to your review section on your website, email signature or receipts. This makes it easy for customers to find. Respond to reviews. Thank customers for positive reviews to show appreciation. Address negative reviews professionally to show your care about customer satisfaction. Offer incentives. Avoid directly offering rewards for reviews as it may violate Facebook's policies. Instead, focus on providing value to customers to earn organic feedback.